So, before we get started, let's go over a little bit of background on this project and why it's even happening. See, this was my dad's Jeep. It was a project that him, my brothers, and I all worked on with him. We used to take all of our Jeeps to Colorado to go off-roading every year. Obviously, his was the nicest out of the bunch. You won't hear any arguments from me on that. After he passed away, though, it mostly just sat, only getting driven on rare occasions. Recently, though, a family member was driving it when they lost control and wrecked it. As it was going to be transferred to me soon, and the fact that I helped with the vast majority of the work originally, the task of restoring it now mainly falls to me. And here it is now. As you can see, the wreck was a little bit rough on it, but we'll get that fixed later. Unfortunately, though, the teardown was already started thanks to the questionable people at CoPart in Wichita stealing a bunch of parts off of it, like the mirrors and KC lights. We won't get into that story, maybe later. Right now, though, the first order of business is to start tearing all the junk parts off of it, starting with this tetanus hazard of a front bumper. So, here's my public service announcement of the video. I was not wearing eye protection when I was working on this. I, for one, am not great about that. But, whenever you are working underneath a vehicle, especially one that has loose rust and dirt, like this one, it is a smart thing to do. Getting rust in your eye is never a good time. I'm speaking from experience on that. And it also has the potential to cause a lot of damage. So, don't be like me, be safe, be smart, and wear eye protection. Remember that bolt I left in place so I didn't drop the bumper on myself? Yeah, me neither. Always make sure you take all the bolts out. Much better. Alright, now that we have the wheels and tires off, we got this thing jacked up in the air, let's work on getting rid of this mangled front steering. Fail. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. So I guess we get this side done. That's unfortunate. Yeah, she's finally off. Nice big old dent there. I don't think that was going to be doing much stabilizing as much as locking in place. Now that we have the steering out of the way, hopefully what's left of the track bar comes out without too much of a fight. Not overly optimistic on this one. Since I don't see this going very well, I'm really hoping that nut is welded on the back side, because I don't know how I'm going to get any sort of a wrench on that. In the hopes that it is welded on the back side, we're going straight to the impact, because I don't have a whole lot of faith that that ratchet's going to get it off. So here goes nothing. Shit.
I just want to say a quick thank you for watching this video. It's the first one documenting the restoration of my dad's Jeep Wrangler. If you like it, or if you have any productive input on how I can make these videos better, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do to incorporate them in the future. Until next time though, thanks, and I'll see you later.